Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how to link your WhatsApp link to your delux. So guys, if you are just coming across my video for the first time, kindly do well, subscribe, press the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video like this, YouTube will notify you. Like and share the video for your friend, guys. So guys, make sure you follow this video step by step. Make sure you don't miss anything, because if you are forwarding, you may miss the important message that I'm going to tell, because this video is very important from beginning to the end. This information that I'm going to drop is very important from beginning to the end. Make sure you don't skip any single side from this video. Okay guys, let's dive in to our tutorial time. Okay guys, as you all know, I am legit update. I drop legit to update from many making app, many making website. I bring you legit update that you can make from the comfort of your home or anywhere you are. So guys, let's proceed. So we are coming to this Chrome here. We are starting from Chrome. So when we come, we are going to search for WhatsApp link generator. You see this one? That's what we are going to search, something like this. So I'll just click on it. I've already have it. So guys, this first one, I will not agree for you to use this. Don't use this first one. The one in this one. So we will just click on the link, the website, which is bring us to this interface. Like you can see, as you can see, WhatsApp generator. So we are scrolling. Okay, do you see this place here? Link. Make sure you click on it. It will not show you. Make sure you click on it. So we will scroll. This is where the magic is going to happen. As you can see, make sure you include the country code followed by the area code, e.g. 1 for USA, for US, 4 for UK. So I'm from Nigeria, I will use 2, 3, 4. Make sure you don't put your first zero of the number. When you put the country code, do not put the first zero of the number. Do not mistakenly put the first zero of your number. So I'm going to continue with 8064910710. So guys, if you want to join my WhatsApp community or Telegram community, the link is in the description of the video. You can join there and send me a message. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, here you just put hi, since we are just creating a link for our deluxe, not for our business. So you click get link. So embed this wedge on your side. You only need to post this piece of postal code. We are having issue, but don't worry guys, everything will be solved. So click on the link. When you click on it, as you can see, as it shows for the first time, I said make sure you click here. As it shows us for the first time, you come back. When you go back, you will re-upload it, so it will refresh the country code first, 2348064910710. As you can see. So here we'll just put hi. Okay, that's all. Then get link. As you can see, our link is generated. So guys, as you see, the first time it shows small arrow. If you make a mistake from this thing, from your country code, it may show you like that. And make sure you confirm your number well before copying the link. Do not mistakenly copy link that is not your WhatsApp number. Make sure it's your WhatsApp number that you are going to link on delux is the one that you are coming to generate the link here. So let's copy the link. Copy it as you can see. Okay, let's go back to our delux. Okay guys, if you need mentorship from delux, I am here to guide you through from beginning to the end. Yeah, I'm here to guide you from beginning to the end, guys. Okay, see dashboard. If you need mentorship, DM me. That phone number, you can use it and DM me on Telegram. Yeah, now profile, come to this profile. As you are seeing this profile, come to it. You see this social, come to it. Yeah, when you come to social, you will see WhatsApp. As you can see WhatsApp, you just paste the link. That link you copy, you just paste it here. When you paste it, you see WhatsApp, right? That link you copy there. Okay, give you an. I've already connected, but let me paste it. You guys will see. As you see, as you can see, you press it, then paste. As you can see, this is my link. My link has been generated. Okay, then I'll press submit. You see settings update successful. As you can see here, settings update successful. Everything is working normal now. So guys, if you're having issue, okay guys, if you want to join my mentorship, you can use this number you are seeing on your screen, this one. You can use it and message me on Telegram. Only Telegram. It's only Telegram you can message me. If you want to join my mentorship, it's only on Telegram you can follow me, you can message me. So guys, if you have any problem about these three or remaining one, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, if you have any problem on how to connect them, just let me know in the comment section so that I'll drop a new tutorial for you on how you will connect them. And if you have any question, any problem about delux, you just let me know so that I will answer you, so that you know what is the problem. Okay, thank you guys. Please kindly do well, subscribe, like and share the video for your friends, for them to know, to see what's going on. Thank you.